Hi guys, so for this project we will be using 9mm knitting needles, 16 inches circular. So the first thing we're going to do is cast on 60 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, so after you finish casting 60 stitches, you need to make sure that your stitches are straight, and then continue knitting in a circle. So knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and continue to do that for the next 10 rows, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, so we have a total of 10 rows of 1 knit 1 purl. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We will knit all the stitches on every row from now on, and then I'll check back with you later to show you what to do next. Okay guys, so when you have a total of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 rows. Take 3 stitch markers and divide your stitches in 3 groups. So you have a total of 60. You need to divide them in 3 groups of 20. So you will mark the first one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now that you've marked every 20th stitch, you need to start decreasing on the marked stitches. So you will do that by knitting together the marked stitch and the stitch next to it, like this. Knit the stitches in between. Knit the marked stitch and the stitch next to it together. And continue to do that for this row and for every row from now on. And I will check back with you later. Okay guys, so when you are left with 30 stitches instead of 60, grab a tapestry needle, put your yarn through it, and move all your stitches from the circular needles to the tapestry needle. Pull the needle through the stitches. Turn your hat inside out. And move your needle to the other side. Remove the tapestry needle. Secure your stitches. Cut the yarn. Loose the ends. Remove the stitch markers. This is how the top of the hat will look like. And this is how the finished hat will look like. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.